And earlier this month, Genesis Medical Center Aledo was recognized as one of the best rural primary care practices in the country. This comes from the 2024 Lilypad Awards, which ranks more than 5,400 rural healthcare clinics. Aledo's is the only clinic in Illinois and one of only 5 in the Midwest to earn this recognition. Now, the center has around 130 employees and averages about 4,000 patient visits per month. It's also the only healthcare provider in Mercer County. So joining us now to talk about this is Ted Rogalski, the center's administrator. Ted, thank you so much for being here with us.
Thanks for having me on today, Shelby.
Well, what was this like for you? Was this honor a surprise? How'd you feel about it?
The honor was a surprise, and it's great for our staff, our leadership, and our physicians and advanced practitioners in the clinic to get this award. It's the first time that Lilypad has done these awards, and so that was part of the surprise. Is we did not know it was coming, and they come through Medicare cost report data. So they didn't ask us, or we didn't submit anything. They did that assessment on their own.
So what do you think Genesis in Aledo does really well when we're talking about reaching and caring for folks in rural areas?
Yeah, being a rural community and having a smaller population than our metro areas, we really deliver compassionate quality care to our patients who we consider family, friends, and neighbors. And that's really the culture that we have in our organization.
So can you break it down for us? I mean, from an administrator standpoint, what's some of the biggest differences when we talk about rural healthcare versus Genesis Hospital in Davenport?
Yeah, there's a lot of similarities, but most of our business is outpatient focused. Where in our acute facilities, it's more on an inpatient focused basis. So 95% of our business is outpatient services, and that starts in our clinic operations, right, with our primary care providers. But on the hospital side, it's laboratory, it's surgery, it's the emergency department, radiology, and physical therapy. Those are our main services that really support the community and allows them to get care here locally.
So what are some of the challenges that face Genesis and Aledo?
Yeah, our challenges are the same that we see in our larger facilities and what a lot of businesses are experiencing right now, and that's workforce. It is our number one challenge. And being a smaller entity with 130 employees, just having 5 openings, which we currently have, but 3 of those are nurse openings that have been open for over a year. That's really a struggle for us. As a result, we have to bring in travelers, and they cost us more. So there is a financial burden to that as well.
I'm assuming isn't the same with ambulances as well?
We did have an extreme shortage of ambulance providers about a year ago. And a new company came into the county called Elite Ambulance Service, and they did calm down their service. So they're not transferring patients out of the area. They're just focusing on 911 transfers within the county to our entity and to other healthcare entities for that higher level of care. And since then, it has been stable. We also get backup support from our Genesis ambulance service out of Silvis, and they do the transportation of patients that need to be sent to a higher level of care.
Well, Ted, I cannot thank you enough for your time today, and congratulations on the honor.
Thank you so much, and it was my pleasure to join you today.
And hey, if you guys at home, you want to share this story, you can find our online article on our website underneath the As Seen on TV tab.